Prep test 69, game number 1, question 3. If H is immediately after M, which of the following could be true? So let's get our master diagram up here, and we're going to get a few of them up here, and here's the reason why. We know that H has to be immediately after M, but we also know that M can be in 3 different spaces. So why don't we try out the first one? If M is in spot 1, that forces H into spot 2. And right off the bat, we can see that we've broken this rule. Therefore, what we've learned from this is that in this scenario, M cannot be in space 1. So let's try it in space 2. M, H, F. We know right off the bat those have to be there. The remaining letters are somewhat malleable. We need to get an S in there somewhere. We have to have GP in a row, and L has to be at the end somewhere. Okay, so we have a lot of flexibility remaining. What about over here when we place M in the third spot? So we have H here. One of these would have to be F. So let's place it, say, right there. And what we have left are S, L, and GP. And if you notice right now, GP can only go towards the end here. And that's fine because that allows L in there as well. But it leaves S stuck between F and H, and that's not where it's supposed to go, again, according to this rule. Thus, we also can't deal with M being third. So this is the only scenario that we're concerned with. Let's analyze it to figure out what could be true. Could F be second? Nope. Could G be third? Nope. Could H be fourth? No. Could P be third? No. Could S be fourth? It certainly looks likely. We could place S here, we could place G and P here, and L there. And that is thus our correct answer.